Guys, now we're gonna move on to quadrilaterals, okay? So, a quadrilateral is a four-sided, two-dimensional, closed, and straight-sided polygon. So basically, quadrilateral is a four-sided polygon, okay? Albeit irregular or regular, it's a quadrilateral, is a four-sided polygon. Now, we have the kite. A kite, it has four sides that can be grouped into two pairs of equal length sides that are adjacent to each other. Okay? The kites. Four sides that can be grouped in two pairs. So, I'd have this pair and I'd have this pair. Okay? Of equal length sides, they are of equal length sides and adjacent to each other. Now, parallelogram. It has two pairs of equal length sides that are opposite to each other. So, it has two pairs of equal length sides that are opposite to each other. Now, I'm not going to show you the rest of these. I'm not going to show them to you over here because I want you to pick them out for yourselves, okay? So, parallelogram. It has two pairs of equal length sides that are opposite to each other. So now you have to pick which one it is from here. Okay? We have the rhombus. It has four congruent sides, equal in length, and can be seen as a combination of a kite and a parallelogram. Okay? Square. It has four congruent sides, equal sides, with four right angles and is considered as a rhombus and a rectangle as well. Trapezium. It has one pair of parallel sides that are referred to as bases. Okay? Isosceles trapezium. Both angles coming from the parallel sides are equal, and the sides that aren't parallel are equal in length. And we have the rectangle. All angles are 90 degrees, and opposite sides are equal to each other. Match the number of the quadrilateral to the respective picture. Okay? Now, after you're done with this exercise, we have the next one over here. Using construction methods already learned. So, the 90 degrees, 60 degrees, 45, 30, those. Using construction methods already learned. Example construction to create a 90 degrees angle. Pick 6 of the quadrilaterals, okay? Any 6 you want out of these. Pick 6 of the quadrilaterals and construct them and label their names under them, okay? So, label their names. When I say label, use lettering, okay? So, for example, let's say you're going to construct this one right over here. This angle over here can be 60, can be 30, can be 45. It's completely up to you. But make sure that the angle you use here, you use it here as well. Okay? They have to be the same. That's what's important. Not what angle you use, but that they're equal. Okay? Here, for example, you use a 60. Here you have to use 30 because they're not equal. Okay? You can use a 45. You can use a 30. It's up to you. Okay? As long as they're different. There is no specific angle required, but they just have to be either different where they need to be different, or the same where they need to be the same. Same thing goes here, here. These two angles are the same, okay? But they're just on opposite sides, okay? Now the kite would be a little harder to do. So my suggestion, start by placing this point somewhere, okay? The kite is the only one that has specific angles. Okay, so this one you'd have to construct two 30-degree angles over here. Okay, now this line is parallel to this line. Okay, by the way, lengths are up to you. These are 90 degrees. Okay, so from here you would have to extend the line, arc here, arc here, arc here, arc here, and you'd have the 90 degrees. Okay, same thing you do from this side and see where they meet. Okay, and that's it. Continue these exercises.